We are a distributor of Envi Blocks, and the reason that we became a distributor for Envi Blocks is so that we could provide the most amount of ease for our clients as possible. For those that have easy access to firewood, it's awesome, but firewood can also be a little bit of a pain in the butt sometimes too, right? Don't have a place to store it outside where you can keep it dry. It takes up too much space. Well, these Envi Blocks, what it is it's 100% recycled material. It's made from sawdust. They are extremely dense and extremely heavy. And each block only weighs a few pounds, but the density of it allows them to burn really, really hot. They come in two different sizes, depending on the size of the firebox and also depending on the amount of heat. If it's not a real cold day and you don't want it real hot, what we will tend to do is I will put a couple of the Envi Blocks on the bottom, put a little bit of firewood on top, and I'll use the firewood to start my fire, but then I'm really using the blocks so that I don't go through as much wood, and it makes it a lot easier throughout the season.